Welcome to 12-inch apps. This is my infinite image pages component made specially for your Arcblock pages kit. Super easy to use, supports up to 10 images, smooth continuous scrolling for your portfolio. Here's an example of what the infinite image looks like. You load your images and let them scroll across your screen. You can customize the way that this looks. Let's take a look at what that is. So here's the infinite image pages component set up here. You can customize this title where it says infinite image, so we say customize title. You can change the color of the title. You could change the background color. And you can change the speed at which the pictures are moving, your images move. Super easy to upload your images. Right here you see there's 10. Upload right from your device, or you can paste in a link there. Thanks for using 12 inches apps. If you have any questions, any comments, hit us up. Have a great day.